Hey guys, happy Halloween. I expect you're all very busy putting on your Halloween makeup for your party, or maybe you're busy in the kitchen making some Halloween treats. And if you haven't checked out last week's video that I made, that is a good one for today. It is a spooky fault line cake complete with bones and skulls and blood. Very, very appropriate for Halloween, so make sure you check that out. I'm here at the Crumbs Doilies shop enjoying a delicious raspberry ripple intestine cupcake. And I'm here to give you a couple of very exciting announcements. Now the first one is a bit of a personal one, but that's okay because you're my friend. So if you already follow me on Instagram, then you'll know this already, and that is that I just got married. Yep, I am taken, I'm afraid. Sorry everyone. So me and my family and friends all went off to Wales, where I have some family connections and I just love it there. And we had the best time. Team C&D, so Nikki, Sally, Dane and Sam, who's behind the camera, they all came and made me the best cake ever. It was absolutely amazing. It was a 5-tier cake, all different flavors on each tier, complete with lovely little decorative elements taken from all the bunting that I'd made, and it was so perfect and I loved it. And we had the best time. We did karaoke all night long. It rained and rained and rained, but that is all right because it's Wales. And we were doing karaoke, so we didn't really notice. So that's my personal exciting news. And my other bit of exciting news is that next week, myself, Sally and Sam are all jetting off to New York City. And we need your help because I've been there a few times, but it's been a very long time. Sam's been a couple of times and again, not for ages. And Sally has never been, ever, in real life, only in her dreams. So we're gonna need your help because we want to try as much stuff as possible. Obviously, normal food, but obviously, most importantly, all the sweet treats we can find. So we want cookies, we want cake, we want cheesecake, we want ice cream, we want all of that stuff. So if you live in New York or if you've been there recently and you've been to some new openings that maybe I haven't seen because it's been so long, then please pop them down in the comments box below so that we can pop them on our map. And we're going to film as much as possible. We're also going to try and do some recipe videos while we're there. So if there's something especially New Yorky that you think we should bake, then pop that in the comments box below and we'll give it our best shot. So I hope you can help because we have we're gonna not eat for a couple of days so that we can fill it with all manner of delicious New York treats. So please do come along and we're gonna be posting videos from that trip from next week. Very exciting. The turnaround is amazing. So I will leave you with that. Please give me your help. And in the meantime, I'm just going to carry on eating my intestines. Goodbye.